Hello friends, welcome back to automationtestinginsider.com. This is SQL tutorial part 15 and today we are going to talk about SQL Right Outer Join. So in the last video we have seen what is SQL Left Outer Join, how do we write Left Outer Join. Now today we'll see just reverse of it, like how do we write SQL Right Outer Join. So what do you mean by SQL Right Outer Join? So let's get started with the definition. So it returns all rows from the right table even if there are no matches in the left table, and in other words returns all records from the right table and the matched row records from the left table. So let me show you with the help of example, help of diagram. So let's see, this is my table A or table 1 and we have another table. Let's say this is another table. Okay, we have two tables, left table and right table, or table 1 and table 2. Let me just write table 1 and this is table 2. So we have two tables guys, table 1 and table 2, and what it says, it returns all the rows from right table even if there are no matches in the left table. So it will retrieve the records, the matching rows and all the records from right table. So it will retrieve both the records, I mean matching rows as well as all the records from right table. So we'll understand with the help of example when we'll talk about the question. Okay, so I'll write SQL Right Outer Join query. So let's get started. So my SQL Server Management is already open, and you have seen we have been using these two tables to write the SQL joins. We have this employee detail table where we have all the records, employee records. We have first name, last name, salary, joining date, department and gender, and we have this employee ID as primary key. And we have another table, employee detail project detail table, where we have all the corresponding projects assigned to all the employees. Okay, so we have couple of new projects as well which are not assigned to any of the employees. So here you can see null values in employee ID column. Okay, and we have all the employee ID over here. So this is foreign key employee ID in this project detail table, because we want to make the relationship, so we should have one common field in both the tables. So in employee detail table we have employee ID as primary key, and to make the relationship we have this employee ID table in project detail table as well. So these act as foreign key. So here you can see we have three this employee ID 1 3 times, right? So 3 projects are assigned to this employee ID 1, and similarly we have for employee 3 as well, couple of times it is given over here. So 2 projects are assigned to employee 3, and these 2 are new projects which are assigned to none of the employees. Okay, so let's get started with the question guys. So get all project name even they have not matching any employee ID. Okay, so we want to get all the project name even they have not matching any employee ID in left table. Okay, order by first name from employee detail and project detail table. So what it says, this right join query, it returns all the rows from right table. So we should get all the records from project detail table. Okay, to get all the projects even though we have null values in the left table. So it will retrieve this new project and new project 1 as well. It should retrieve when we apply this right outer join query. So last time we have seen we have just reverse of it, like we got all the employee IDs from left table, we got all the employee detail, all the records from employee detail table, all the employees, and these two were missing in the last left outer join query because these are the null values in the right table, because these are not assigned to any of the employees. So that's why we have null values, right? So that's why it was not picked in the left outer join query. Now we want to get all the records from project detail table, right table. So it will retrieve all the records from the right table irrespective of the null values in the left table. So let's write the query. Select star from employee detail, select the database from here, and employee detail E, I'll give alias as E, and I'll write right outer join. You can simply write right join as well, or right outer join, and I'll write, or right join also you can write, project detail P. On condition, there should be a relationship when we apply any join, okay, any of the joins. Okay, so we have common field employee ID, so E dot employee ID is equal to P dot employee ID. Order by first name, E dot first name. Okay, so this is how you write, guys. Here we have right join, so let's see how it returns the record. So we want project name only, okay, project name, get all project name even they have not matching any of the employee IDs. So let's see, we want E dot employee first name and project name, P dot project name. So here you can see we got first name and project name. So we got all the records from project name even though we have null values in the left table. So here you can see null, and other projects are listed over here. So we have 10 rows in the project detail table, so that's why we got 10 records over there. We have 10 rows because all the projects are unique over here. So that's what we got, all the 10 rows over here, and we have corresponding left records from the left table even though we have null values. So this is how you write right join query. Okay, you can write here outer as well, anything is fine, so we'll get the same results. Now let's take the second question. Write a query to find out project name which is not assigned to any employee. So we want to get the project name which is not assigned to any employee. So from these two table employee detail and project detail table. So what are the projects which we which are not assigned to any of the employees? So we have new project and new project 1. So we should get these two records only. So how do you get? Using this right outer join query. So you'll write select star from employee detail E and right outer join query project detail P E dot employee ID on E dot employee ID is equal to P dot employee ID, and we want project name, right? So simply we'll write P dot project name. Okay, now we have to put where condition, guys, because we want the project name which is not assigned to any employee. So I have to put here where clause where E dot first name is null, okay, which is not assigned to any of the employees, or E dot employee ID also you can put employee ID is null, E dot employee ID. Okay, we have to put So let me just execute. So here you got two records, new project and new project 1, which are not assigned to any of the employees. You can see in this project detail table which I have shown you earlier, we have employee ID null in those two, for those two projects. Okay, so you have to write where condition where e.employee ID is null. So this is how you write SQL right outer join query. So this is very simple, guys. You just practice, you just try to get you just try to get the different questions, and you can write the right outer join query. And in the next video I'll talk about SQL full outer join query. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.